Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to solve 12th standard Karnataka board 12th standard question paper max question paper 2022. So let us come to the question paper. So here in part A, first part, as you know, it is divided into 4 parts. So part A. So let us come otherwise. So first part, so the first question you have seen. So let me try solve the first question now. So yes, so what they have given, as you see in the question, they have given that show that the relationship or in the set 1 2 3 given by r is equal to bracket 1 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3 1 comma 2 2 comma 3 is not transitive. So as we all know that, the so for a as we know that for a relation to be transitive, as they have asked, we have to prove that it is not transitive. So for a relation or here that they are given, so let us take any relation or. So for that, if it is has to be transitive, the formula that we should means that it should be equal to x comma y belongs to r. It should be x comma y belongs to r, and y comma z should also belong to r. Or also we can say that, or also like that we can say that x comma z should belong to r. So these three things in these three things should be there. So here in the given question that they are given, here they are given is 1 comma 2 first in this the relationship that they are given, as you saw the question in the starting. So as you have seen in the starting, 1 comma 2 it belongs to r. Okay, relationship 1 comma 2, okay, it belongs to r, because here in the relationship in the question that you have seen 1 2 is there, right? Okay, now next if we see y comma z, right, 2 comma 1 there, so it also belongs to r. Okay, in this if we see this and that means this and this last one we should take, right? So therefore it will be equal to, we'll get. But in this that the thing that they have given here is 1 comma 1, they have given 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 also they have given, but 1 comma 1 it does not belongs to r. We cannot see 1 comma 1 in r, right? In that in the relationship that they have given, 1 comma 1 we cannot see said in the relationship set that they have given. So therefore by this we can say that it is, or it is not transitive, or is not transitive. So it is your first question. So first question we have solved. Now moving on to our next question, that is question number 2. Here they have given, let star be the binary operation on n. Okay, given by a star b is equal to LCM of a and b. We have to find 5 star 7. Okay, so the thing they are given is, what we have to find, they are given is 5 star 7 we have to find. Okay, is equal to LCM, we have to find LCM of 5 and 7. If we solve 5 and 7, the LCM that we get is 35. Yes, 5 and 7 if we solve, we'll get the LCM as 35. So the binary option, so 5 is 7, LCM is 35. So okay, let us come to our next question. Let us see. Question number 2 is solved. Moving on to our next question, that is question number 3. Here they have asked, you have to write the principal value branch of 5 is equal to cot inverse x. So we have to write principal value, right? Principal value of cot inverse x is the principal value of cot inverse x is pi by 2 minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, that is minus 0. Okay, so this is the principal value of the cot inverse x. This is the answer for question number 3. So moving on to our next question, that is question number so we have done question number 3. Now question number 4. Here they have asked we have to find the value of cos into secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x, comma mod x, that is equal to less or equal to 1. Okay, yes. Okay, so you have seen the question, right? You have seen the question. Now, so the thing that they have given is cos into secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x. Okay, this they have given. So cos is pi by 2. Pi by 2. Okay, how means as we all know, secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2, it will be, right? So therefore it will be equal to cos pi, so 180 degree by 2. So therefore it will be equal to cos 90 divided by 2. If you do 180 by 2, it will be 90. And as we know, cos 90 degree, it will be equal to 0, we know. So therefore it will be equal to 0. So therefore 0 is the value of cos secant inverse x plus cos into secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x. Moving on to our next question. So yes, question number 4 we have solved. 5 they have asked is we have to define a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix we have to define. Okay, what is diagonal matrix we have to explain. Okay, so now so a square matrix in which every element except its principal diagonal element is 0. So its principal diagonal elements will be 0, is called a diagonal matrix. So as you know, a square matrix, it is we can say diagonal matrix also. So a square matrix. So in diagonal matrix we have to write a square matrix where all the principal diagonal elements is 0. So where all the principal diagonal elements is 0, then we can call it as diagonal matrix. Okay, so I have only written here explanation because as you know, here 1 marks they have asked define a diagonal matrix. If they have asked for 2 marks give example with example, then we have to write the example. So that's why I have only written the explanation of what is diagonal matrix. So 5th one is done. Moving to question number 6. Here they have given we have to find the value of x. They have given a matrix. Okay, the matrix that they have given is, let us take that, they have given is 2 3, 4, 5, and there is, sorry, I have written like this also, no problem. You can write how you like. X, 2x, 3 and 5. Okay, this is the matrix they have given, and now we have to expand it. So first we have to multiply this and this here, here and here. Okay, so we have to expand it now. 5 to the 10 minus 12 and 5x minus 3 to the 6x. So 10 minus 12, that will be equal to minus 2, that is equal to 1x, that is minus 1x. So 1 we can shift here, right? So minus it will be plus 1 is equal to, it will become that will become 1 if we shift. X is equal to minus 2, it will shift, so plus 2 it will become. So therefore x is equal to 2 is the, so therefore the value of x is 2. Question number 6 is done. Moving on to our next question, question number 7. They have given here y, if y is equal to sine ax plus b, we have to find dy by dx. Okay, so okay, let us find dy by dx. Okay, question number 7 they have given, and here that they have given is y is equal to sine a plus b, sine a plus b, dy by dx we have to find, that is equal to, so first if we take cosine, we have to convert cos ax plus b d by dx. Sine we will convert cos d by dx, that is ax plus b. A plus b will take again ax plus b. After this if we multiply, so cos ax plus b is e into a, so therefore a cos ax plus b, so therefore the value of dy by dx is equal to a cos ax plus b. Okay, so okay, so now, so question papers. Okay, so here the thing we finished is question number 7 we have finished. Now in question number 8 they are asking we have to differentiate y is equal to ex cube with respect to x. Okay, so now let us write, it. So 8th one, y is equal to ex cube. Now dy by dx, that is equal to ex cube. D by dx, we have to take it cube down, so x cube. So therefore ex cube is equal to 3, we have to take down, that means ax cube into 3x square. Okay, so therefore the answer is ex cube into 3x square. This is the answer for our question number 8. So therefore question number 8 is finished. Moving on to our next question, 9th question, we have to find integration secant x into secant x plus tan x into dx. Okay, so this is the question. Integration secant x into secant x plus tan x into dx, right? Okay, into dx, that will be equal to integration secant square x plus secant x into tan x, we can take into tan x dx. Again, if we do integration secant square x into secant x into tan x dx. So therefore it will become finally tan x plus secant x plus c. So therefore, this is the answer, tan x plus secant x plus c. So this will get cancelled, so tan x secant x will be there. So therefore tan x plus secant x is the answer we get. Tan x plus secant x plus c is the important thing. We have to write plus c. If you not write, they will not give marks. So remember this, it is important. So question number 9 is done. So remember this, it is important. See, in any integration question, if you are solving, you should not write C in the end. They may cut marks and they may not give sometimes marks, some teachers, in their evaluation. So be careful while solving these type of questions. Now question number 10, evaluate integration 3 to x square dx. Okay, so let us write this also. Now the given is evaluate, we have to evaluate, so 2 3 x square dx. Okay, that is equal to we can write it like this. So x square by 3 first we have to take, so 3 by 2. It will be 3 cube by 3 minus 2 cube by 3, that is equal to 27 by 3 minus 8 by 3 will get. 3 is common, so 27 minus 8 by 3 will be there. So therefore it will be so 27 minus 8, that will be equal to, so therefore the value that is we have to evaluate, if we evaluate we get 2 x square dx. This is for this question we are evaluating, that will be we'll get is 27 minus 8, that is equal to 19, right? So 19 by 3, so 19 by 3 is the answer we have got. Okay, so question number 10 is done. So moving on to our next question, that is question number 11. Here they have asked a unit vector. We have to find the unit vector in the direction of the vector. A vector is equal to I cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Okay, so next is unit vector. Okay, so question number 11. Unit vector that they are given is a vector is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. So magnitude of a vector is equal to root 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square. So therefore mod a vector is equal to root 4 plus 9 plus 1, that will be equal to root 14. So now unit vector in direction of a vector. So unit vector in direction of a vector. So its formula is 1 by magnitude of a vector into a vector. So therefore a cap is equal to 1 by root 14 into 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap. Now a cap is equal to 2 by root 14 I cap plus 3 by root 14 j cap plus 1 by root 14 k cap. So this is the answer for, so this is the unit vector in the direction of the vector a cap, the question that they have given. So next, the question number 11 we have solved. Moving on to our next question, that is they have given is define collinear vector that they have given. Okay, so we have to define the collinear vector now. Question number 12, collinear vector. So the collinear vector means it is two or more vector. So two or more vector which are parallel, that two or more vector that are parallel to the same line. These vector, two or more vector, they are parallel to the same line irrespective of their magnitudes and their direction. Magnitudes and their directions. So collinear vectors means two or more vectors, they are parallel to same line which are irrespective of the magnitude and their direction. So question number 12 is done. Moving on to our question number 13. Here they are given we have to write the direction cosines of y-axis. So the direction cosine of y-axis is the direction cosines of y-axis is flower bracket cos 90 degree comma cos 0 degree comma cos 90 degree is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 0. So this is the direction cosines of y-axis. So question number 13 is also done. In question number 14 they are asking a feasible region. So we have to define feasible region in a linear programming problem. So a feasible region in an area defined by a set of coordinates that satisfies the system of inequalities. So this is the explanation of feasible region in a linear programming language. So 14th one is done. Now 15th one they have given a probability problem. Let us write what all the things that they have given. I will say then. So P of A is equal to 0.6 they have given. P of P is equal to 0.3 they have given. P of A intersection B is equal to 0.2 they have given. So P of A by B we have to find. So P of A by B we have to find. So P of A by B is formula is P of A intersection B by P of B is the formula. So therefore P of A intersection B 0.2 by P of B 0.3, that is equal to, we'll get 2 by 3. So therefore 2 by 3 is the P value of P of A by B. So this is the 15th question. So we have finished part A. Now we are moving to part B. That is 2 marks question we are moving. So let us come to part B now. So let us move now to part B. Part B. First one is 16th one. So here the again is verify whether the operations star defined on the set of rational q by a to b is equal to a into b by 2 is associative or not. We have to find associative. It is associative or not. Okay. So let us take let us consider another consider another variable. Let us take another variable c. With this c and b, let us take c also. So for this c, the operation is said to be associative. Means associative means three variable, right? So if a into b into c is equal to a into b into c, this is the formula for associative, right? So let us consider another thing, that is a into b into c, that is equal to a into b into c by 2. Okay, so therefore it will be a b c by 2 we will get finally. Also let us take another one, that is a into b into c, that is equal to ab by 2 into c, that will be equal to abc by 4. So therefore if you take, so both will be equal, so a into b into c is equal to a into b into so a into b into c, so this formula is equal, so a into b into c, it will be equal to a into b into c by 2. So here a into b into c, so it will be 2 a b c into 2. So therefore it will be equal to, so therefore this formula, that is a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. So therefore we can say, hence it is associative. So therefore this question is associative, we can say. So question number 16 is done. So next question is, we have to show that sine inverse 2x root 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sine inverse x comma minus 1 by root 2 greater than x. So okay, yes, that is not required. So the question that is they have given is, that is sine inverse 2x root 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sine inverse, right? So since LHS sine inverse 2x into root 1 minus x square, let us put x is equal to sine theta. Okay, x is sine theta, so therefore sine inverse 2 sine theta, x is a sine, so sine theta, so 2 sine theta root 1 minus 2 sine theta, so 2 sine theta. Okay, so yes, we have done here. Okay, next is sine inverse 2 sine theta root cos 2 theta. So on the rule of 1 minus sine 2 theta is equal to cos 2 theta, we have taken it as cos 2 theta. Okay, sine inverse 2 sine theta cos theta will get after dividing root, so square is there, so we are taking out it, so therefore it will become, root will get cancelled, so therefore it will become 2 into sine theta into cos theta. Then moving on, now Sin inverse it is sin 2 theta, we can take it as sin inverse cos A we can remove, and sin 2 theta we can take because if you take sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x into cos x. Here theta x is not there, here theta is there, so therefore we are taking it as 2 sin 2 theta. Okay, so this all rules you have to remember. You also have to write while you are in examination also. You should write these rules, you should not remember, means you should not forget, sorry. So this is also important, these rules also you should write. You should not just write the answer. Sometimes writing rules also will be important, because teacher may think how he has done. If they want to give full marks or you got more, means you are near to 100, so they will also check this, you have written these rules, how you have got this answer, they may check. So writing these rules also sometimes it will plays an important role in the giving the marks. Okay, so next 2x into sin x. Okay, so x is equal to sin theta, so 2 sin inverse x, inverse sin, sin inverse x, so sin inverse x is equal to theta also again. So therefore the thing that we have wanted is 2 sin inverse x, so 2 sin inverse x also you can take, or sin inverse so it does not matter, x is there, x if it is there also not matter, so RHS, so therefore LHS is equal to RHS, that is we have got the answer what we want. So therefore this is the thing we got, this is the answer we got. So therefore question number 17 is also we have solved. Moving on to our next question. Here our next question is question number 18. Here they are given we have to find the value, we have to moving on. So let us go to our next question, that is question number 18. The question number 18 that they are given is tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. Okay, this is the most important one. So tan inverse tan pi by 3 is equal to root 3, and cot pi minus pi by 6 is equal to minus root 3. Now tan inverse root 3 is equal to pi by 3. Okay, and cot minus root 3 is equal to pi minus pi by 6. Okay, now let us take tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3, that is equal to pi by 3 minus pi minus pi by 6. Therefore it will be equal to pi by 3 minus pi plus pi by 6 will make it. So therefore here it will be minus pi by 2 is the answer we'll get after solving this. Pi by 3 minus 5 plus pi by 6. So how is, so question number 18 is done. Next question number 19 that they have given is, they have asked us here, that is they have given x plus y is equal to 7 0 2 5, this is the matrix, and x minus y is equal to 3 0 0 3 we have, and we have to find x and y. Okay, x and y we have to find. Now let us do step by step first. So first thing that we have to do here is the question. Now we have to first add 1 and 2. That is, the first is 7 0 2 5. This is the first matrix, and 3 0 0 3. First let us add it. Okay, we'll get as 7 plus 3 0. It will be 2 plus 0 5 plus 3. That will be equal to 10 0 2 8. Okay, now we have to, here 2x is there, 2x is equal to 2x. This, let us take this as minus 1. Let us take. So now x is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 0 2 8. Okay, now if we divide 2, if we divide so 2, so it will be x is equal to 5 0 1 4. Okay, 5 0 1 4 will get. Now we have to subtract 1 from 2. So now for y, so now we have to find y, right? So subtracting subtract equation 2 from 1, equation 1. So 2y is equal to 7 0 2 5 minus 3 0 0 3. So 2y is equal to 7 minus 3 0 2 minus 0 5 minus 3, that is equal to, will get 4 0 2 2. Okay, now y is equal to, again 1 by 2 will do 4 0 2 2. Y is equal to, will get 2 0 1 1. Okay, so this is will get. Now hence we have got the answer, that is x is equal to, we got 5 0 1 4, right? Yes, we got 5 0 1 4, right? 5 0 1 4 we got, and y is equal to 2 0 1 1. Okay, so this is the thing we have. Okay, so this is the answer. So therefore question number 19 is also done. So